Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera. Welcome back to my channel, Manizard Studio. Okey, sebelum tu jangan lupa untuk tekan button like, subscribe dan juga bell notification. Okey, pagi yang indah ini, kemana aku nak pergi? Aku sekarang berada di atas jambatan Pulau Pinang. Okey, semalam aku dapat panggilan daripada sahabat aku. Sebab aku pun dah lama tak ride berkumpulan. So dia ajak aku bersama-sama untuk ride ke Jitra untuk breakfast di sana. Wow, breakfast Penang to Jitra, negeri tanpa sepadan. Okay, so kita akan ride ke sana untuk breakfast. Kemudian kita ada, aku tak sure lagi apa lagi aktiviti mereka selepas breakfast tu. Apa pun, kita just join je lah. Okay, ride secara selamat orang kata. Let's go! Okey, kita menghampiri, sudah sampai tempat RV kita. Okey, tadi on the way tu kita jumpa sahabat-sahabat kita, dua biji motor. Okey, alhamdulillah semua dah berkumpul dan kita akan gerak sekarang ke Jitra. So kita tak akan stop mana-mana, kita akan straight go to Jitra. Okey, kita dah melepasi tol Sungai Dua. So aku akan concentrate untuk aku punya ride. So nanti dah sampai, nanti aku akan beritahu mana dah sampai. So just enjoy the view. Okay.
But it's too late now. I remember you and me, and how careless we could be.
All day and all night, we'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright, staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us. Like a good drug, never enough.
We'd hook up in my car, drive it so far, play your guitar, you'd show me your art. Let down our guards, think with our hearts, stare at the stars. We were never apart, drinking too young, way too much fun, out in the sun, hoping when it's gone. Took you to prom, dance to our song, dance all night long till the lights come on.
It's too late now. I remember everything, and how careless we got. It's too late now. I remember you and me, and how careless we got.
It's too late now, I remember everything, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be. Late nights, long fights, it felt right, we were alive. We would go out, we were so loud, we were so proud, we had no doubts. Weekends and weekdays, we'd spend our own way. We were careless, we were fearless, we were reckless, time was precious.
We loved to waste time, whiskey and wine, drinking all night, asleep by your side. Finally alive, we would just drive, never arrive. Our journey was life, staying out late, testing our fate, running away. We live for today, young and so bold, never get old. Screw what we're told, we can't be controlled.
Too late now, I remember everything. And how careless we got. It's too late now, I remember you and me. And how careless we.
It's too late now, I remember everything, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be. And how careless we could be. And how careless we could be. And how careless we could be.
Too late now, I remember you and me. And how careless we could be.
Okey, Alhamdulillah kita akhirnya sampai dekat Plaza Tol Hutan Kampung. So ada sikit lagi kita akan sampai destinasi kita pun dah lapar dah bergeroncong dah ni. Okey, untuk pengetahuan tadi kami satu grup, kemudian kami terpecah kepada dua, di mana aku terpaksa berhenti sebentar untuk adjust aku punya kamera 360 aku. Dekat belakang tu tersengit sikit, aduh. Lepas tu Mr. Haris kita di hadapan ni, dia tunggu aku dekat gurun tadi. So sekarang kita dah split antara dua grup lah. Tapi tak apa, kita akan jumpa dekat tempat yang kita nak tuju nanti. Don't worry. Dia tunggu kita kat Hutan Kampung. Aku ingat tunggu dekat kedai makan. Akhirnya kita regroup balik dekat sini. Sorry lah guys. Minta maaf sangat-sangat. Kita habis visit Bandar Darul Aman. So, pada yang tak pernah sampai kat sini lah, jenis daerah Kubang Pasu. Bila dah masuk dalam tahun ni, faham-faham je lah. Boleh kot ni, boleh kita stay lah. Tapi kalau nak senang tadi kita naik kot nu lah. Kau nak ingat Aku nak merasai kawasan mana. Oi, bawa ayam goreng pula dekat sini. Finally. Sebab makan ni first time aku sampai, so aku pun tak sure dekat mana sebenarnya. That's why aku just follow dulu. Woi, ke dalam lagi tempat ni. Tapi aku dah start bau makanan yang tepi-tepi jalan tu. Ayam goreng, ayam bakar. Ni cerita dah tengah hari terus ni. Finally. Okay, kita sekarang berada dekat telefon ya. Roti Canai Sarang Burung Abah Din. Ya, ni dah tu dia Abah Din.
Kuai Pak. Kena sarang burung tu.
Dah sarang burung.
Kena sarang burung yang kena.
Burung bawa sendiri.
Burung bawa sendiri. Burung tempur.
Tengok.
Dah. Kuai Pak.
Okey. Itu dia, habis sepagi breakfast bersama Abah Din dengan roti telur sarang burung dia yang padu. Okey, so siapa yang nak try boleh recommend dekat area Citra ni. Okey, sekarang aku nak on the way balik Penang. So tadi aku punya group dah split. Aku berpecah daripada group sebab aku ada urusan lain dan aku kena balik Penang. Dan kawan-kawan aku yang lain continue right, pergi ke Padang Besar. Aku tak tahu apa yang ada kat Padang Besar tu. So aku rasa setakat itu dulu video untuk kali ini. Jangan lupa tekan button like, subscribe dan juga bell notification. Sehingga berjumpa lagi di video akan datang. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum. Peace.